Okay. So, Sanjukta and Nidhi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, we are having, see, the first is one type of question. I'll give you more. How many squares are there? How many squares are there? So, you can take not only individual squares. No, I'll tell you what. You can take not only individual squares, but also you can
16,
take
sir.
two at a time, right?
16.
You can take individual squares like this. You can also take, see, two at a time like this. You can take two at a time, that also will give you a square. Similarly, you
Okay.
can take three at a time. You can take three square, that also is a square. So total how
Okay.
many squares? I can take separate squares. I can take here 2 and here 2, that means this will be the square. Similarly, I can take this one 2. So like this, how many squares are there? First, I'll give you the logic and then I'll give you the shortcut. Okay. When I'm teaching you the how to count, don't think you have to do that in the competitive exam. There will be a shortcut trick, that also I'll tell you. But before that, I'll tell you how we get into the shortcut trick. See, first you count the step 1. You count the individual squares. You count the individual squares. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 16 squares. 4 into 4, 16 squares. If you take one square at a time. This is okay? Kritika, Sanjukta is okay?
Yes, sir.
We are taking one square at a time. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Similarly, here also we will have 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. So,
Then
4 along
16.
the length and 4 along the breadth. 16. Remember this. There is only one way of counting. Nidhi, are you following? Then, if you take 2 at a time, if you take 2 square at a time, see what happens. Here, you can take the first 2. Here you can take the second 2, that means second and third. You can take the last 2. So 3 ways of taking. Similarly, uh, vertically, you can take the first 2, or you can take the second 2, or you can take the last 2. So here you are getting, here you are taking 2, the first 2 and vertically first 2, the middle 2, the second and third, or second and third, or you are taking the last third and fourth and third and fourth. Similarly, for other rows also you can take the same thing. You can take for the second and third row, and the same thing you can take for the here. Similarly, for you can take for the last 2 rows also. You can take either the first 2 or the middle 2. We are taking the last 2 rows or this one. So total we have got 3 into 3, 9. 3 ways of taking in each way. So 3 into 3, 9. Got it this much? Kritika, Nidhi, Sanjukta?
Yes, sir.
So there's that was 16, 4 into 4. This is 9, 3 into 3. Now see, if we take 3 at a time, here we are taking horizontally 3 and vertically 3, or horizontally we are taking 3 and vertically 3. That is for the first, second and third row. Similarly, for the second, third and fourth, either vertically 3 and horizontally 3, or we are taking this one, third, fourth and fifth for the last 2 rows. So we are getting 4
Yes,
ways.
sir.
Horizontally we are getting 2 ways, and vertically horizontally we are getting 2 ways, and vertically either this one or this one we are getting 2 ways. So 2 into 2, 4. So we can take horizontally, we can take either this one or this one, 2 different ways. Vertically we can take this one or this one, 2 different ways. So total 4. So then we got 4 into 4, then 3 into 3, then 2 into 2, and then we will get, if we take the whole thing at once, the whole is a square. We take the whole square, all the 4 you take. That means all the 4 combined, which makes only 1. So 1 into 1. That is 1 square. So what you get? 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2, 1 into 1. So 16, 9, 4 and 1, you get 30 squares. Okay? Till this? Sanjukta? Kritika?
sir.
Kritika, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, you are not going to do all this. People join at all times. Yeah. Kritika. Yeah, join late anyway. So, if you want to, instead, but you will not be doing all these complicated methods. So, the shortcut method will be like this. We will be having, see, we can multiply like this. 4 into 4, we are labeling 4, 3, 2, 1 and 4, 3, 2, 1 and see what are the things we get. We are multiplying 4 into 4, we are multiplying 3 into 3, we are multiplying 2 into 2, we are multiplying 1 into 1 and we are adding. So you don't have to do all this. That one I showed you how to reason, but you will be multiplying 4 into 4, then you will multiplying 3 into 3, similarly 2 into 2 and 1 into 1. That's the reason why I wrote 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you actually, you will have to do only this much. That you will have to do only this part. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1 and here 4, 3, 2, 1. So 4 into 4, 16, 3 into 3, 9, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 1. So that is a shortcut trick for counting squares. Only for squares, where if the horizontal one and vertical one should be equal. Only for square, if you are asked, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, multiply 4 by 4, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 1 by 1. There is a shortcut trick. You know, that one I showed you how to get the logic. When you remember the logic, you remember the rule. That's why I showed you the logic. But otherwise, you don't have to do that so much in the exam hall. In the exam hall, you will be only doing this much. Now, here is a case where how many square? Now, here we have 4 and here we have 2. So, they are not equal. In that case, we had equal 4, 4 or 5, 5. Here we have only 4 and here we have only 2. So, in that case, you will not be able to take 3 at a time. Because if here you take 3, then here also I have to take 3. Then only it will be a square. I can't take horizontally 3 and vertically 2. So, I can take only 1, 1 or 2, 2. I can't take 3, 3 because I don't have vertically 3. So, see how it comes. Yeah, see. First thing we have been taking for simple one at a time. So, 4 square in the first row and 4 square in the second row. So, you got total 8 squares. Individual square you count. 4 square in the first row, 4 square in the second row. So, here 4 square and here 2. So, 4 into 2, 8. So, this is the first step. Then, second step, you see what happens when you take 2 at a time. When you take 2 at a time, see what happens. See, I have shown you. How can you take 2 at a time? How can you take 2 at a time? You can take the first 2. Here, vertically, you have to take 2 because you can't take no other choice. You can take the middle 2 or you can take the last 2. Vertically, you are always taking 2 because you have got only 2. But horizontally, you can take the first and second, or the second and third, or the third and fourth. So, 3 possibilities you have got. So, 3 into 1, 3. So, how exactly we do in shortcut? See, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here you have got only 1 and 2. So, write 2 and 1. We multiply this one, 4 into 2, and we multiply this one, 1 into 3. So, 4 into 2, 8, plus 3 into 2, 1, 11 squares. There also we got the same thing. First we got 8 and then we got 2. By taking the first and second, second and third, third and fourth we got 3 squares. So, 4 into 2 and 3 into 1, so giving 11 squares. Got it? Up till this okay? Kritika, okay?
Yes, sir.
You will write 4, 3, 2, 1. Here don't write 4, you can write only 2 and 1. and multiply the first by first, second by second, and for this one you don't have anything to multiply. The third one you don't have anything to multiply. For these two there is nothing to multiply, so don't. So leave there. So here we leave that blank. This one is blank because the first by first and second by second. Now with 2 you can't multiply anything. So 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1. This is for square. This is only for squares. Clear, Sanjukta? Nidhi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nothing, ठीक है बेटे? Nidhi, you are new. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, here we have got where they have divided the square into by 2 horizontal and vertical lines.
Okay, sir.
Now here you can't take the first 2, second 2. You can't do like this 4, 3, 2, 1. This method you can't do here. You can take only when there are a series of boxes. A series of boxes horizontally and vertically, then you do that method. Now here we can't do method. Here, then how will you count? Anything? Nidhi, can you tell me how many squares are there?
Sir, please tell again.
How many squares are there? How many squares are there?
3 squares.
And you're also dividing, beta. You're also dividing this one.
Dividing 4 squares.
They say I'm telling you.
2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5.
1, 4.
Sir, 7.
Okay. Let us take part by part.
10, sir. 10. 1,
Let
2,
us take the part by part video. So we have actually taken the part by part. Okay.
11, 12,
We have
13,
taken
14, sir,
sorry,
14.
the part by part. See, the smallest square you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, and the whole square you can take. That means total 5 squares. Either 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking only the black one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 small squares or the one full square. You got 5 square. It's okay? Similarly, for the middle one, either you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can take the whole one together. So 5 squares. And for the outer one, either you take 1, 2, 3, 4, or you take the whole green as a single square, 5. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Each square means 5 squares. 4 divisions and 1 complete square. Here also 4 divisions and 1 complete square. 4 divisions and 1 complete square. So actually you got 5 in each. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. The inside, this much you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the whole one 5. So we will take the outer one 1, there is 2, there is 3, there is 4, and you take the whole red one, that is 5, and if you take this one 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you take the whole of it, that is one more square, that is 5 square. So 5, take element by element. When one is inside the other, take element. 4 small square and 1 full square, 5. Here also 4 divisions and 1, and here 4 divisions. So actually there are 15 squares. Okay? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now here we have, sorry, Kinavi, welcome. I forgot. Kinavi?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. So this is actually, now this one, see, the outer one is not divided. Only there we had the full line. Here we had the full line, right? In that question. Here we are not having the full line. The outer is not divided. So the inner one has 5. The middle one has 5. But the outer one has only 1 because it is not divided. So you are getting 11 squares. Because the outside one is not divided. The outside is a single square. It's not divided. Only the inner one is divided. The middle one is divided. The outer one is not divided. Okay. So the inner one we take 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Middle one also we take. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. And 1, of course, the whole thing. 1 you get the whole square. And 5. The outermost is not divided, so that is a whole, making only 1 square. So total 11 square. There what happened? All were divided. So we got all 5, 5, 5. That one was divided. This one, all were divided. See. So what we did? We got 5 for the black one, 5 for the red one, 5 for the... So we got 50. Here, the outer one is not divided. So for this we are getting 5, 5 and 1. Okay?
Who is rejoining?
Who is rejoining, beta? Anyone has a problem? So we get 5, 5, 1. It's okay, Kritika?
Yes, sir.
This is 5, this is 5, then the outermost becomes 1. Kinnari, it's okay?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sanjukta?
Yes, sir.
Particularly those who are preparing. You have to be, okay. Now, let us take this one. How many squares and rectangle? Now you have to take squares and rectangle. That means you don't always take 2 and 2. You can also take 2 and 1. You can also take 4 and 2 or 4 and 3. All possible things are allowed. There you are taking a square, you are taking here 1, then here 1. If here 2, then there also you will take vertically also 2. Then only it will be a square. If you take here 3, here also 3. But here you can take any combination. Here I can take 3 and here I can take 1 or 2. Here I can take, for instance, all the 4 and there I will take only 2. So all the combinations you can take. Squares and rectangles combined. Okay, this is how this counting. Now we will show you the logic. Let us see the logic for one row. We are showing for one row and then the same thing will be applicable to other rows. It is easier to see that. So one row we are seeing. We are showing you only one row. The same thing will be for, say, horizontal. The same thing will be for vertical. Now, if you take the whole thing as 1, the whole rectangle as 1, then it will be only one rectangle. If we take the first 4 and the last 4, you can get by 4, taking 4 at a time, you can get 2 possibilities. Either the first 4 or the last 4. If you take 3, you can take the first 3, or from the second you can take second, third, fourth, or you can take the last one. So you can get 3 such possibilities. If you take 4 at a time, either 2 at a time, either this 2 or this 2 or this 2, or this 2 or this 2. So that means I am getting 4 such possibilities. 4. And if I take all individually, this separate, all separate, then I will get 5 possibilities. So if I take all the thing together, then 1. If I take this 4 and this 4, I am getting 2 such things. If I take 3, 3, 3, I am getting 3 such possibilities. If I am taking 2 at a time, then 2, either this 2 or this 2 or the last 2, I am getting 4 such possibilities. And if I take all individually, I am getting 5. So the total is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Or 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is okay? This is okay? Aurora, Kritika and Sanjukta and Kinnari?
Yes, sir.
Nidhi? Nidhi is okay? Or she left? Nidhi, you are there? Nidhi, you are there? Are you getting the sound? No, you are not getting the sound. Leave and rejoin. Leave and rejoin. But if you are not getting the sound, leave and rejoin. Leave and rejoin. Nidhi, leave and rejoin. Anyone, if you have a problem in audio, just leave and rejoin. Then the audio will be okay. And if all of you are not getting, then I will leave and rejoin. Okay. This is okay? So this is, I take only along one side, means only horizontal. Similarly, if you do vertical, then also you will get 15. You can take all the 4 or the first 3, the last 3. Like that you will get again 15. So we have to add, right? So here we are having, see how much we are having the possibility. See this one. So how much we are having? Here the same numbering. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. There we took 5. Here we are taking 4. So 10. And vertically 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 10. Then the total will be 10 into 10. That is 100 squares. 100 square. 10 along horizontal direction. 10 along vertical direction. You combine both. You get 100 different squares. So if you are asked, you will have to add 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And when you are asked the squares, then you would do 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2. That is when you are asked square. If you are asked rectangles, total boxes, you add the horizontal sum and vertical sum and you multiply. So total 100 squares. Boxes, both squares and rectangles. Okay, Kritika, Nidhi, Sanjukta, Kinari. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It's all right. Then we are having the, so let us see squares and rectangles separately if you want to calculate. Say squares and rectangles separately we have calculated. This just for a reinforcement. For you have to number the same thing. Then for square you take 4 into 4, you take 3 into 3, you take 2 into 2 and 1 into 1. So you add all this, you get 30. For rectangle, what you do? Add the horizontally, you are getting 10. Add vertically, you are getting 10. So 10 into 10, 100. That includes squares and rectangles. So if you are asked rectangles that are not squares, you subtract 100 minus 30, 70. If you are asked rectangles which are not squares, in that case you subtract 100 minus 30, that is 70. Because there is no way to calculate directly. So calculate the square as 4 into 4, 3 into 3, 2 into 2, 1 into 1. And calculate the horizontal sum and vertical sum and multiply. So you get the 100, then subtract. This includes squares and rectangle, and this is only square. So only rectangles which are not squares you subtract. Got it, Kritika?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You, Sanjukta,
Yes, sir.
Kinari,
Yes,
Nidhi. Nidhi still I told her to leave and rejoin. So now you can, this is a short exercise. Now tell
Can
me.
you hear me?
Yeah, Nidhi. Nidhi is okay. Did you follow the previous things? You had an audio problem.
Audio problem, sir.
Okay, I'll revise it for you. 1 minute. I'll revise it for you.
No, sir.
Hello?
No, sir. Your
Huh?
audio is completely
Okay,
fine, but
my audio is
audio
clear.
is.
Okay, fine. No
But
problem.
my,
Take a minute. So you heard all the things. For you it's clear or you have any questions?
sir, I'm having a doubt.
Yeah, beti, bolo.
What is the final answer in the last question?
Which one, beta? This one, that depends on the question you're asked. If you're asked only squares, then this is the answer. If you're asked total number of boxes, squares and rectangle, then 100 is the answer. How beta?
Squares plus rectangles will be 130.
Which one? Don't add. This is squares and rectangle. This is only square. So for rectangles, you have to subtract, not add. Got it?
Okay, sir.
This is squares and rectangle. The total number of boxes. It includes squares and rectangles. And this is includes only squares. So if you are asked only rectangles, what do you do? You add or subtract?
Subtract.
Because this includes, if I say only rectangle and only square, then you add. This is already including square and rectangle. It includes square also. When you take 1 or when you take 2 and 2, when you take 3 this side, 3 this side, it includes the squares. And also the rectangle. When you say 3 this side and 2 this side, or 3 this side and 1 this side, it includes rectangle. So it includes all. So if you are asked only the, so it depends on your questions, okay? What you are asked. There you have multiple choice, but here I am not giving you the multiple choice. So if you are asked only squares, then your answer is going to be 30. If you are asked boxes or squares and rectangles, that includes, that is horizontal total 10 and vertical total 10, so 100. And if you are asked rectangles that are not squares, then you will subtract to get 70. Okay, Kritika?
Okay.
Nidhi, also okay? Nidhi, alright, any problem? Still you are having audio problem. Canary, Sanjukta, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Kritika, doubt clear हो गया ना बेटी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Doubt mat hoga. I'm very happy that you asked this. Now, this is just as an exercise. How will you say how many rectangles, how many squares, and how many rectangles that are not squares? How will you find? हाँ बेटी? First, how many squares? एक एक करके बोलो. एक एक कर. How many squares? You tell me first.
Sir, 11 squares.
11 square. How will you do? 4 into 2 and 3 into 1. And afterwards you can't multiply. 2 के लिए कोई number बचा ही नहीं है. So this one that is you can't multiply. So only you do 4 into 2 and 3 into 1. You'll find 11 square. Very good. Now how many rectangle?
Sir, 30.
40.
30.
What is the total? 30. What is the total sum horizontally? 10. 4
10
plus
into
3 plus
3.
10. Yeah. And the total here is the total vertical is 3. Very good. 3. So 10 into 3 you will get 30. That includes squares and rectangle. Now how many rectangles that are not square?
29. Correct.
19
19,
बेटा
19,
सब्ट्रैक्शन ऐसे होता है 19 29 कहाँ से आया 19 so you are including, so whenever you are square you multiply till it is if they are equal it's okay, but even if it is not equal you multiply as long as you can with the first and second and stop. The third is not there. And for rectangle, horizontal total and vertical total you multiply and then subtract to get rectangles that are not square. It depends on the question. Don't ask me what is the final answer. If they are square, it is 30. Now if they ask rectangle, technically square is a rectangle. Square is a special kind of rectangle. So if they mention or you see your multiple choice, how they have given. So if they have given rectangle 30, it's okay. Otherwise, if they are given 19, that's also okay. But actually, technically, it should be 30 because rectangle means it includes squares. And if they ask how many rectangles only or how many rectangles which are not square, then you subtract. Got it? Kritika?
Yes, sir.
So final answer is not that. That depends on the question. Because I didn't give you the multiple choice. If I give you the multiple choice, then it is easy that you take the right answer. But since I was giving you the logic, so in one actually we covered 3 questions. If you are asked only square, then what is the answer? If you are asked only rectangle, what is the answer? If you are asked squares and rectangle, so we covered actually 3 questions. Okay. Now, so this is how we do the shortcut. So in the shortcut we are doing like this. What we are doing? First for square we are doing this one and this one. For this one we don't have any numbers to multiply, so leave that. For this one also we don't have any number to multiply. So 4 into 2, 3 into 1, 11. Then horizontal total is 10. Vertical total is 3. So total you are having 30. So number of rectangles excluding square, not including square, will be subtracted. Got it? Okay? Canary?
Yes, sir.
Now, so this is the counting of different square and rectangle. I think triangles you did. But for Nidhi, I may be opening it again. For Nidhi, she did not do it. Only for Nidhi, I am opening it. So what I was saying, how to count the triangle, the same method. Either you take all the 3 triangles at the same time. That means you are taking it as one triangle. Forget all the in-between lines. Or you are taking the first 2. That means you are taking this one as one triangle. That is one triangle. Or you are taking the black one, the second and third as one triangle. That means 2 such triangles. Or you are taking all the individual triangles. this one separately, that one separately. So all the three. So here you got 1, here you got 2, either the first and second or second, third, and here you got 3. So you add 1 plus 2 plus 3. The same thing which you are doing in rectangles, the same thing you do. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So this method is like the our method for counting rectangles, not for counting square. Square we were doing like 4 into 4, 3 into 3, not that. Here we have the like rectangle we were counting, but here we are counting only horizontally. Vertically there is no boundary. Vertically it is not divided, so we are counting horizontally. Now if it is divided vertically also, then what you will do is vertically divided. Then now vertically you can't take 1 plus 2 because I can't take, for instance, the last 2. Can I take only the second and third? Kritika, can I take this one? Will it form a triangle?
No, sir.
So I can't take, I have to take the top one. So either I have to take the first and second, or I have to take first, second and third, or all the three. So I can't take them. I can't take the second and third. So what I do is either you take all the thing together, that is 1, or you take the top one and the bottom one. You take till this one, only till this one you take, or you take only the smaller one, only the small one you take. So here you get 1 plus 1 plus 1. You don't get 1 plus 2 plus 3. You get 1, 1, 1. Vertically it is not 1 plus 2 plus 3. Horizontally it was 1 plus 2 plus 3. Right? Horizontally when we were having 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. We are having 1 plus 2 plus 3. But vertically we are not having 1 plus 2 plus 3. We are having only 1 plus 1 plus 1. We have only 1, 1, 1 each. Because either the top one or the first 2 or the first 3. There's no way you can take the second and third. So you get 1, 1, 1. So horizontally we number as 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 3, 2, 1. And vertically we number 1, 1, 1. Vertically don't number 1, 2, 3. So we get, in fact, the number of triangles will be, in this case, then. So here we have seen that. Here we can add. Either we can take the first one or the first and second or the second and third we can take. So here we are adding. And here we can't take the second and third. Either the first one or either till this one, or the first and second together till this one, or all the three together. So here you number 1, 1, 1. So horizontal total 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Vertical total is 1 plus 1 plus 1, and total is 30. 10 into 3. So here the numbering is different. Just see that you can't take any combination. One you have to take whether alone, or 1 and 2, or 1 and 2 and 3. So you are numbering 1, 1, 1. Here you number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then horizontal total 10, vertical total 3. So the total number of triangle 30. Got it? This one? Kritika, okay? This you did, I think, last time you were there. So this was actually a revision for Nidhi. So this is our reasoning for today. And you are joining at 7:30? All of you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Kritika, you are joining. Ajay, Kritika, any more question you have to ask?
No, sir.
Ajay, this triangle, this only was a demo that we will take up the triangle in detail later. We have got something more with triangles. It can be inverted triangles, it can be several divisions, small triangles. So it can be, there are several types of triangles that we will be taking up full triangle. So today we took up squares and rectangles. Only squares, only rectangle which are not squares, and total number of boxes, squares and rectangle, and just one introduction to triangle. The full triangle we will be taking up later.